Assalamu alaikum, this is Hamid Mata. Welcome to another video. A few days ago, I ordered two diecast model cars. একটা হচ্ছে Nissan GTR আর একটা হচ্ছে Mercedes AMG DTM. Basically আজকে আমার ওই গাড়ি দুইটার ডেলিভারি দেওয়ার কথা. So I will be picking this product and unbox it, and I will show you how this product come up with, also the product quality and packaging quality as well. So without wasting any time, let's go and get those cars. So finally I'm back with my product, and let's unbox it and see what's inside. So it's not come with a pretty decent box, because last time আমার আরেকটা প্রোডাক্ট ছিল যেটা প্যাকেজিং was more decent and also in good condition, but it's okay. Let's see inside whether it is in good or bad condition. This is GTR, Nissan GTR, come with average quality box. And this is the Mercedes AMG DTM. The thing that I like most about this AMG, it's come with acrylic box and 143 scale model car, and also licensed by Daimler. It's basically a alloy car, and yeah, I really like this car because of its detailing. So let's go and check out its detailed parts. this is Nissan GTR logo, and come with plastic grille. It has two aesthetic headlights, and the finishing of the product really astonishing. It has pearl white body paint in it with glossy and glittery effect, but you can see this glitter effect only when you're getting closer to it. So overall it's a great finish, so smooth and so shiny. You can see. Let's check out its tire. It's come with rubber tire with elastic rim, but overall not bad though. It's from Mini Auto. You can see. Yeah, I love the base of the car. Taillights have also some satisfactory finish, and also you can open its trunk. You can see, and the finish of the product is so smooth. I definitely like the product. Overall, it's a great product. Now let me show you the interior of this GTR. Too much dirt inside. Let's go and see from other side. Now it's perfect. Black matte finish. Detailing is quite good, but not highlighted enough. Overall, it's a great finished product, but I'm pretty much disappointed because it has no spoiler in it. But according to its color and finish, it's 100 out of 100. So this is Nissan GTR, and that's enough I guess about this car. Smooth finish from Mini Auto. Let's check out Mercedes AMG. Mercedes AMG come in acrylic box. A little damage in acrylic box, but it's okay. So as I mentioned, it's a metal alloy car, so shiny and also smooth finish with gloss and glitter effect. This is the front side portion. Lower the skin is made out of plastic, and other body parts from metal alloy, and the spoiler is made out of rubber. Let's check out its tire. So detailed, and also not the tire. It's a rubber tire, so smooth and shiny. This is the front side, Mercedes logo, and also astonishing headlights. Bumpers. Yeah, lots of detailing. I love this car so much because of its detailing. So smooth and shiny as well as, and also its color. So I definitely like this product so much. Its color, its finish, and also its detailing. So as it's a DTM and it has a spoiler in it, So I like this car so much. 143 scale model with lots of detailing. So among two of them, I like both of this car because of its smooth finish and color. Though I have some extra fascination about GTO, so I like the GTO most. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you don't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. And to my next video, I will come up with another cinematic video shoot. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.